Okay, what was the problem? As I was saying, my messy calendar, right? And so I was like trying to get help, and I found this like way to organize my time for my week, and kind of I like it. And but the problem was that my printer was not working well, right? And then I was searching what could be the problem, because my the ink tanks are like, they are like plenty, so it was not a problem. And so after searching like for an hour, what can be the problem? Maybe I should like send my printer to the EPSON support to figure out what is going on with it. But I decided to search a little bit online, and I found that I could print I could print this one. It's like trying to check what is going on. So the first time I just got these lines in blue, but they had like spots like white, so it was the problem. Then I was looking for the solution for doing that, and it appears that I should go to configurations and try to clean the my printer. So I need to go to settings. Then you can go to devices. When you are there, you can choose printers and scanners, and choose the one that you are having trouble, and manage what is going on with it. And then you can choose like printer preferences, and you will get this one. And you can print here the nozzle check. You will print this one. Then I printed this one. This is for that. And then the solution is like head cleaning. So you can go there. As I am saying, I will try again with it. And this is the one. You just can start, and they will ask you, right, if you want to continue with this cleaning, and you will say yes. Because if you don't do this, and if I did like 10 times, I say, right, so this will be the 11th time that I am doing this cleaning. But if you don't do this, you need to go to power cleaning. And as we were searching, and it has like consequences for your printer, so I didn't want to go there. And this is the power cleaning from EPSON support, and they say that power cleaning can hurt your printer, and you can get this here. They say power cleaning may cause the ink pads to reach their capacity sooner, so when an ink pad reaches the end of its service life, the product stops printing, and you must contact EPSON support and blah blah blah. Yeah, so we don't want that, because my printer is not too old. It's like 9 months old, and also this warranty is just for 1 year. That's the reason why we were cleaning many times after we got this result. This is the best that we could have with 11 head cleaning. Now I am doing one more, but I will not print anything else, because I am plenty of these printing sheets, so I don't need more. But I think one more will be okay for my printer. And the description for this printer, and I am leaving in the chat, but I cleaned up the EPSON L4160, and that's the one that I cleaned it up. The process is the same, is similar with different printers and with different like models too, because I was searching a lot in videos and also forums and everything, and the method to solve this problem is the same for all of them, so we don't need to spend too much time on doing. But we should try to avoid this power cleaning, because we know what can happen. And also, if you do it, if you don't want to to read too much, you should try, and if it didn't work, you should wait like 12 hours before you can run again this power cleaning. Okay, just make sure you are doing it, and don't to avoid damaging your printer, and you can finish. And yeah, that's it. And we cleaned up this printer, and the model is EPSON. I don't know if this is the name in English, but it's EPSON, and the series is L4160. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for being here, and have a wonderful weekend. I will do it, and mainly organizing what I need to do, because there is many things for this week, so I needed to get some help, and I think these organizers will help me to organize my mess. Yeah, thank you very much, and enjoy your weekend. See ya.